Friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your preview for Walgreens for the week of March the 15th to the 21st. Smack dab in the middle of the week, or on Tuesday, it's going to be St. Patrick's Day on the 17th if you celebrate. And if you have such great luck, you probably got a booster. I got a 5 back when I spend 15 on my card. On my husband's card, I think it was a 10 back when you spend 40. And the 5 when you buy 3 dental care, you probably have that one as well. Go and load those right away. Remember, this is a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published in the Walgreens app on Sunday, the 15th. And as stated, Tuesday, the 17th is St. Patrick's Day. The following day, which is the 18th, probably 50% off of what's remaining for St. Patrick's Day. They want that room for Easter and summer merchandise. If you guys could do me a huge kindness before we dive into the deals, and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Really helps out the channel and the video. If you could take a second and like the video, or if you have the hype button, consider pressing it. Now, the first deal we're going to look at involves this, if you might have it. It's very straightforward. Spend 15 to earn back 5. I mean, it's just fantastic. Digital booster. This deal is to buy 4 laundry care products to get back a $5 register reward. The Downy Rinse and the Scent Beads have a $2.50 digital coupon. The pods and the liquid have dollars, so that's altogether $7. Grabbing a mix and match of laundry care products priced at $5.49, that's $21.96. Subtracting the $2.50 for the scent beads and then the scent booster, and then $2 digitals for the Tide liquid and Tide pods. That's $7 melting off. Make sure you have your digital booster loaded. With your debit card, you're going to pay $14.96. Get back $5 in Walgreens cash and a $5 register reward, making it $4.96 for the 4 products, or $1.24 each. Do not use any Walgreens cash as you're using the booster of spend 15 to earn back 5. If you have register rewards from previous deals that you did and you want to throw it in for a lesser out of pockets, by all means go for it. Okay, the next deal that we have is the $10.99 Tide Laundry. We have a $3 digital coupon. So with that, sales price is dropping it down to $7.99. These are the larger Tides. So if you wanted to use the register reward from the previous transaction with this, you're looking at $2.99 for a massive bottle of the Tide liquid or the Tide pods, which is really fantastic. Moving it along, we have the Soft Soap Irish Spring products at $5.99 with a 4 off a 2 digital coupon, $2 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $11.98. Subtracting that 4 off a 2 coupon, you're paying $7.98, getting back a $2 register reward, making it $5.98 for the 2, or $2.99 per product. Hang on to your receipt, guys, because if IBOTTA has a rebate for the soap, probably, the hand soap, that would be great. And remember, if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Now, this deal, if you might have that 5 back when you spend 15 booster, or something like, spend 20, earn back 7, one of those sort of boosters, I mean, this would be so ideal. We're going to have a 4 off a 2 for the L'Oreal Elvive, and then a 6 off a 2 for the OGX, which is a fancier shampoo, and we barely get deals on this. $10 reward when you spend 25 or more. So grabbing 2 of the L'Oreal Elvives, that is $10.98 at $5.49 a pop. 2 of the OGX for $14.98 for a total of $25.96. Subtracting $10 in digital coupons, 4 for L'Oreal and 6 for OGX. You're paying $15.96, getting back a $10 register reward, making it $5.96 for the 4, or $1.49 per product. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but if you might have a $25 booster, like spend 25 to earn back 5 or 7 or whatever, this would be so ideal. Pay down the balance with your debit card to get extra on top of that $10 register reward for all of this shampoo. Okay, so the next deal that we're looking at was from the week previous. It's the spend 15 on disposable razors, get back 5, and is Gillette and Venus. And this deal is just absolutely fantastic, where it is like so cheap, like under $1 per, if you can just line this up perfectly. So the razors that I picked out was this exact Venus and this exact Gillette. And it's buy one, get one 50% off. And there are some only for you coupons that showed up last week, and I believe they're still valid this week. and it is a $5 off for the men's and a $4 off for the ladies. And then just to show you my receipt, I did in fact throw in a register reward. I had a $2 one from the week previous, but the $4.98 and the $10.99, I'm at 15. My two digitals came off along with my register reward, and I used $5 in Walgreens cash, so I paid like a buck out of pocket. And then this friend popped out of the machine, and then I was able to use it on another deal for razors. It scans on anything, but if your cashier is going to like read it, there are so many other razor deals that you can throw it into. Another great deal is the Axe body wash, buy one get one 50% off with a 5 off 2 digital coupon. And this one's just really easy. Two of those on a buy one get one 50% off, $5.99, and the second half off is $8.98. Subtracting your coupon, you're paying $3.98 for the two, or $1.99 per body wash. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Listerine mouth rinse is on a buy one get one 50% off promotion, $4 reward when you buy two, and there's a $1 off digital coupon. Grabbing two of the larger bottles, and I would go bigger because this is one of those items that if you grab the teeniest, tiniest one, if you use it like twice a day, you probably go through it. Two of the liter ones is $14.23 on a buy one get one 50% off. Subtracting the coupon, you're paying $13.23, getting back a $4 register reward. It makes it $9.23 for the two, or $4.61 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. The Scott paper products still has that $1.25 store coupon and the 2 off a 2 if you couldn't track it down the week previous. Grabbing two of the paper towels for $10, subtracting that 2 off 2 coupon and the $1.25 coupon, which is a store, which will come off twice, subtracting $2.50. It makes it $5.50 for the two, which is a really great price point. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. I know a lot of us could not track down the paper towel the week previous, so if you still might have that coupon, you can still do this deal. And for this price for paper products, I would totally make it happen. The $3.50 Crest or Oral-B, this is a really good deal if you still have that 5 off a 3 coupon. Grabbing 3 of them, it's going to be $10.50. Subtracting that $5 coupon, you're paying $5.50. Getting back a $5 register reward, making it 50 cents for the 3, or 16 cents per unit. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that register reward. Mention time. The first HM goes to this. Now, last time this deal rolled around, it had to be a very specific Walgreens gift card or it did not work. So I would pause on this till Monday or so till we figure out which gift cards it is that's triggering the $5 gift card when you buy two of these. A bit tricky. $10 gift card when you buy two of these Cinemark gift cards. It's usually $25 per to trigger the 10. So we'll have to wait and see what the value is. It's certainly not going to be a $10 gift card. I'm thinking 25 and up. We also have a buy one get one free on these professional hair care that includes the big sexy hair, and then the Studio 10, and then the that bedhead one. Really nice stuff, which is part of the spend 25 to earn back 10. And we also have $4.49 Garnier, and I'm not sure how much whole blends, probably $1 more. 4 off a 2 coupon, and then part of the spend 25 to earn back 10, an alternative deal for shampoo. And we also have a couple of beverages and snacks, 3 for $8.99 for the Walgreens 24-pack of their purified water. If you're dealing with really bad weather, ice storms, tornadoes, you know the value in having this in your stockpile. A buy two, get one for free on these complete home disposable tableware, the plates, the cups, and that sort of stuff. Also very handy to have in a prepping situation. And a little bit of food and beverage. We have a buy two, get one for free on the Coca-Cola products. That includes Sprite and Fanta. So not a bad little deal, especially if you're going to toss in register rewards or Walgreens cash to get your sodies. And 2 for $6 for the Doritos, Cheetos, all these deliciousness, Ruffles included. It makes it $3 a bag, which is a really great price point, especially if you're hosting a party. And then also a really great deal, $1.99 for the nice peanuts, and trail mix. They had one called Magic Mix back in the day that I used to always buy and eat, and it's just fantastic. Has little M&Ms in it, a little bit of magic, if I do say so myself. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. Yesterday's Home Depot clearance video linked right here if you want to check it out. We will see you guys soon. Again, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.